डान्स करत असेल ना तुम्ही.
This is a place for rain dance. It's already raining. On top of it, it's rain dance. Wow. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamat's vlogs, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's going to be a resort vlog today. So we are going to a resort that is Belle Heritage Resort in Mudubelle near to Udupi, and this is all planned and executed by Shashi Bhushan Kini. It's all sponsored by Shashi Bhushan, my cousin Shashi Bhushan Kini and his family. So first of all, a huge thank you to Shashi Bhushan Kini, Anna and Deepwani and my Mav, Vijay Mav, Lata Kini and all of their family event for us. This is a family get together basically, so they are hosting this, so it's all hosted by them, and a lot of people and good food, good place, good surroundings. And yeah, we're going with a baby. I hope the baby enjoys too. Our baby is currently 3.5 months, and I hope it enjoys too. So my parents have gotten ready. They'll be leaving early. This is how my parents have gotten ready. Say hi. So they'll go around 1 o'clock and we'll leave late. So they'll go there for lunch. Okay, enjoy. Hey, that's me who has finally gotten full fledged ready for this staycation that is happening in Belle Heritage Resort. And I'm super excited. And this is my first trip after 3 months of delivery. And Shvetaka is also here. We'll be all going to the resort now. And Guruji is here, who will drive us all to the resort. It's raining and it's very nice weather today. But it's raining very heavily though. Oh my god, I can't stop admiring myself. Look at my clear skin and good hair, which was all gone by the time baby turned 6 months. I have no hair on my head left now. We reached Belle Heritage Resort and Farms. Yes, let's go. Here it is. There was good parking space in the resort, and also Bhushanarna had booked the entire resort, all the villas. The resort has lot of greenery and lot of trees, open space, and it is very welcoming. You feel very good the moment you enter it. Also, I feel this resort comes to life in rainy season. This was around May 24th, 2025, and this is Subhiranna welcoming us to the resort. And see here, they're already enjoying in the pool. It was one day, one night staycation, and we had packed like as if we are going to stay in this resort forever. We had packed so much luggage, and also, this was our first ever trip with the baby staying away from the house. So it was all total new experience for us. The resort is so beautiful. You feel you're into the nature. Also, they have a place where they have lot of cows, and you can feed bananas and other things to the cows. But please do check with the owners if you can feed. We are staying in Bhumi. This is the villa. It's beautiful.
The name is Belle Heritage and Resort.
This is the room. Insert क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुत ही ट्यून टिडिन टिडिन टिन टिडिन 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 टिन. Huge bed, sofa here, and we have Mandil Pachi here. Thanks for the flowers. That's it. This is a huge bed, and we have TV. All of family people, all of us family staying together in the same room. Yeah. We have Moin Mai, Moin Mau. Yeah. And this is a nice mirror.
He's a cow.
Oh, cow. This is Umesh Bappa. And beautiful washroom as well. They have a huge swimming pool. Wait, then So the mic check that you're hearing in the background is Bhushan Anna had planned a stage event that's on the right side that you see. It was a surprise for us. We were wondering what is it. And that's me walking by the pool and I was so excited looking at the pool. I wanted to jump into it right away.
डान्स करतोस त्यांनी
This is a place for rain dance. It's already raining on top of it. It's rain dance. Wow. Food is nice. The resort had this outdoor area where there was serving food. It was meant for lunch, breakfast, dinner, basically. This resort has a lot of old rustic vibe. It has lot of open space, this garden area, then the swimming pool, and lot of trees, and then this old rustic vibe, the villas, and then the kitchen, the dining area also. Maka ek Ali. This is my cousin Sudhir Malya, my cousin Savita Pai, and Soumya Deepika Prabhu, and Narendranath Kamath and his cute grandson, and his wife, and so many more people. This is my Narendrana and his cute little grandson, Arav, baby boy. Oh, look at his cutie cutie expressions. Aha. ఓయ్ అమ్మలు వస్తాయి there is goli bhaji and chutney and coffee and this was masala upma. Food was very good. So all these folks had come at 12 p.m. itself here for lunch and they had amazing time in the pool as well as dancing, rain dancing and all of that. And this is my brother-in-law, advocate of Udupi, Lakshman Rangnath Shenai. This family get together happened on May 24th, 2025. And look at our unpredictable Udupi weather. It's already raining. This is my cousin Bhushananna's son Vasudev Kini and his wife Deepa Kini, the host of our family get together. There is this fun zone here, party hall. Wow. Lot of play items.
कैसा प्रोग्राम किया
The stage program had already begun, and as I was looking after a 3.5-month-old, my baby, this vlog does not have all aspects that happened that day. I, however, had tried to cover most of it. This was a good, great juice, and then amazing charts. Look at me dancing for Pani Puri. It was really, really good and hygienic and amazing. I was so happy, and I was eating in my postpartum. So I was eating about 10 people's food, I guess. It was really, really yummy. Thank you, Bhushan for this. Generally, Balantis are not allowed to eat anything, but as this was a family event, nobody was stopping me. And this was so yummy. And there was kachori chaat also. Kachori was also very, very yummy. It was heavenly. This was where I spent most of the time with the food. That there was live orchestra by Ravindra Prabhu Mulki and their entire team. and also there was food being served at where people were sitting, so people were enjoying the music as well as the food. A perfect combination, a great evening. I sadly can't put all the songs that he sang in this video for copyright issues, so bear me with that. And there were great mocktails also. This is Sudhiranna and Shwetakka, and they're deciding what to drink. And I drank all of that and ate everything like barshi curry in my stomach. Blue, thank you. Blue hai akela. What is this? Lasuni chicken. It's good, right? This was baby corn fry. It was very yummy. मी गेले 2-3 महिन्यां बाळान तिरां म्हाका कस्सने खावचें मेळ नाशिल्लें हें इवेंट दोकून भुशण अण्णा हांव एक खाल्ला म्हळ्यार पुरा जन बिजी आशिल्ले कोणें म्हाका पळय न्ही हांव कसो खातास म्हणून तेजो म्हाका भारी लायक जालें. This is Nishant. He got me blueberry juice in this Bisleri bottle because I am sitting in the room with the baby. Thank you very much, Nishant. Thank you very much, Nishant. He got me this because I am sitting in the room. He got me chaat. Kachori chaat was very nice because of Nishant. I could eat it. Thank you very much, Nishant.
Okay.
Kid boy, my baby boy is. Oh, thank you, Nishu. Mm. That's my mother who's looking sweet 16. Looking very young. Beautiful. Nice.
Like a young woman. Duh.
Here was everybody dancing and enjoying the music. So in some frames you see me, some frames you see my mother. So somebody is with the baby in the room. And the best part of the family get together is here. Yay, the dinner. I always start from the last. Desserts, sweet, ice cream, paisa, and then I go to the main course. So here there was amazing ice cream, and then there was gaver. Oh my god, after eating the yummiest gaver in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, this was the gaver that I loved. Oh my god, it matched the Rajasthan gaver. And this was coconut pudding, which was very yummy. And then there was this bida. And now let me show you the menu. This was bibba upkari, this was neer dose, and then there was this jiv kadgi podi, and then this was kaju masala, and here was ghee rice and soya chop. This was something different I tried after a long time. And this was rice and gashi and saru. And here there was curd and a pickle. And this was ganji. What a unique thought. If somebody has an upset stomach or doesn't want to eat anything, you can eat ganji. What an amazing thought. So there was food for everybody. You can't say that I did not eat anything. You could eat anything. So that was the best part of this dinner. And this is our favorite Kuldev Dalitavai. And then there was rasam. This was the non-veg side. This was chicken chop and then mutton chops, sorry. And then they had ghee rice. This was a very unique curry called chicken kundapur. And then there was this appam. I don't know what is this. And then there is Beans Kajubi Upkari. Wow, what a amazing dinner buffet it was. Everything was very yummy, but for me it was ghevar. You can see I am eating ghevar. God knows how many ghevar I am eating. I even told this to everybody. I recommended everybody over there to try that gaver. And as I edit this video, it's 11 a.m. in the night. I want to eat gaver now. Oh my god. Mummy maregi mujhe. And here comes so many clips from the evening the dance performances and candid dances that happened that night. These videos were not captured by me. I was in the room with the baby and could not vlog to the full extent. So my father was very sad, and the next day he went around and found out who was clicking videos. Deepa Vanni's brother-in-law had captured these videos, and my father got them transferred to his phone so that I can make a vlog. These small little things that our parents do for us. Oh my God! Now that he's no longer with us, it makes me tearful and makes me cry thinking about these moments. Here is a big surprise of the event. Shivani Shenai was missing in the function and everybody was sad about it. And here she comes, total surprise, dressed as a huli, Pili Vesha dance she does for her favorite Mamu and Mai. And the crowd went crazy. Everybody was very happy. Oh, another surprise was Bhushan Anna and Deepavani's dance. It was so good. And here is everybody dancing their hearts out. Dancing, eating, drinking, everybody had great fun. And I'm sure Bhushan Anna must be very happy because that was his intent of having this function. When we asked him what is the agenda, he said nothing, just enjoyment. Everybody comes, enjoys and makes memories. That's it. And this song is Mumbai Se Aaya Mera Dost. Honestly, people traveled from different places to attend this function for Bhushan Anna and Deepavani. Some came from Hyderabad, somebody came from Pune, somebody came from Kerala, and somebody came from Mumbai. So people did come from different places. And yes, people made this function a grand success. So that's it I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. This was a lovely family get together, and we went to sleep finally around 12 p.m. in the night. And there is part 2 coming, which I'll upload very soon. If you're new, please do subscribe. And if you like the video, hit that like button, and I'll see you soon in the next video, part 2 of Belle Heritage Staycation coming soon. Please hit that like button and click on that hype button and leave a sweet comment. And I'll see you soon. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.